Good afternoon, class 7. Today I am going to tell you what operation we will do in the worksheet of MS Excel. Okay, see, I have already created a table. I have already created a table like this, such as name, role, class, math, SST, science, Hindi, and this table I have created in where? MS Excel. And this, what is the name of this sheet? This sheet name is what? Sorting. This sheet name is what? Sorting. This is sorting. Okay. So first of all, you better know that vertical line A, B, C, D, E, these are the columns, and horizontal line, this 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, these are the rows. Okay. Now I have put some value. Now how we delete the column? See, suppose that I want to delete this column A. Okay, then how we delete that? So, see, in the home tab there is a delete option. Okay, see, this is the delete option. Click and just delete sheet columns. See, name column has deleted. Okay, name column has deleted. If I want to delete this D column, then how will I delete? So once again, in the home tab there is a delete option. Go to delete and click on delete sheet columns. See, SST column has deleted. Now I want to add the column. Then how will I add? In the home tab there is one more option, insert, and insert sheet columns. See, one new column has added. When I click insert new column, one new column has added. Okay, so in this way we can adding or deleting the column. Now similarly, how we delete the row? So just select whatever row you want to delete, click and see, delete sheet row, delete sheet row. See, that sheet has deleted. Okay, in this way we can delete the column and row, and we can add. Similarly we can add also. See, this is if I want to add here. Okay, so just click there and just go to insert option and insert sheet row. Click. See, one more row has inserted. Okay, one more row has inserted. Now I want to copy this value. So just to select and right click and copy option, and wherever you want to copy just go there. Okay, then right click and then just click on the where paste option. See, same thing has copied. Okay, similarly if you want to delete these things, so just to select, suppose that I selected this, Okay, and either you can delete by the keyboard or just to right click, okay, and just delete. Just click on OK. That means this row has deleted. This row has deleted. Okay. Now, how auto series in your syllabus? There is auto series. How will you do this? Suppose that I written here Sunday. I am going to write Sunday. 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 If I drag here, see this plus sign, and left click and drag. See, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. One, if you drag one more time, see Saturday. Once again Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Similarly, if we want to add month name, then just you click JANUARY, January. Okay, and just you drag. See. Similarly, suppose it 2, then 4. That means table of 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 2 2. Okay. Like this, we can make the auto fill. Automatic. It has filled. Now, how we do the, what is undo? Undo means not repeat the action. Okay, see, there is undo option and this is the redo option. I selected what day of week, just click undo. Okay, nothing will happen. And when I select here and click on the redo, one more time. See once again. See, selected, click on undo. See, whatever I done the previous time, the same action has happened. Okay, and when I click on the redo, see there is redo option. See, that means what is the meaning of undo? Means don't repeat the action. And what is the meaning of redo? Redo means whatever we have done that, just to show me. Okay, so this is the generally practical you will do in the where in 7th class of lesson 4. Okay, thank you.